In Word, change the line spacing in your document to save space or to make your text look exactly how you want. To quickly change the spacing for your entire document, select Design, Paragraph Spacing. Under Built-in, select the spacing you want. Hover over each option to see a preview of what the spacing will look like. If you want to single-space your document, select No Paragraph Space. To change the line spacing for only a portion of the document, select the paragraph you want to change. Then select Home, Line and Paragraph Spacing. Select the amount of line spacing you want, or select Line Spacing Options. In the Paragraph dialog box under Spacing, you can select the specific options you want, including the spacing before or after each paragraph. And if you want this spacing to be the default line spacing for all new documents, select Set as Default. Then select All Documents based on the normal template and select OK.